Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a flower. Make a small circle at the center of the page. Leave some space and border the circle with a cloudy drawing in a continuous manner like this. Create a long stem at the bottom attached to the petals. Let some leaves come out through the stem. Draw fine lines as found inside a leaf. This is known as veins. Color. You can choose any color of your choice. We have taken pink on the petals and yellow at the center. Leaves can be shaded in light and dark green colors. Did you know flowers are an important food source for pollinators such as butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds? Share this beautiful flower art with friends and family. Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.